Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorial how to resize image to fit canvas. So first you need to active for snapping, go to edit, click preference and then click snapping. You can active for snap to canvas edge in normal and full screen mode. Click OK to apply and OK again. The next I will create new file with these default settings. And now you can insert for the image. I will insert this image as example. Click convert into layer. And you can use the scale tools. Click scale. Select the objects image. And then you can move like from this corner point into corner point in the bottom. It will be automatically snapping to the edge. I will move again from this corner point to the top here. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorial, how to resize image to fit canvas. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.